Hi, my name is Vijay Bhaskar. Now I'm going to explaining about permissions. So the permissions uh, related to the users and groups and others and owner of the group, owner of the file and group owner of the file. These things I'm explaining how to change the permission, how to remodify the permissions only. Here, when you type it the ls-l that will be showing the all the details over here. For example, this is the one type or permission field that is called first drwx means that is the d for means first field. The first field having a is it file or directory. It will be give you some indication to us. We can easily identify the is it file or directory. So that is the indication of the default directory. If it is file, that will be showing the regular file. That is called. Did you see the below options here, the field types? So what are the fields are available in the regular file? So here D for directory and symbol L for symbolically, S for socket, P for pipe man named pipe, and hyphen for regular file, C for character device file special, B for block device file special. So these are the things available on first field. So as of now we have created the directory, that's why it's showing the D option. If it is the symbolic link, if you provide the soft links or whatever it may be, that will be showing the L command. Other fields also showing when you go for, if when you require for the other fields as well, you should be showing like that only when you use it, that one. Without using it not be shown over there. So drwx, d is field is that file field is it's done. Now I'm going to explain rwx, that is called the first field, that will be taken care of by owner, owner having a full rights. And next one rwx means that is called a group owner permissions. And last rwx means it's others. Anonymous users can access the data because uh, this directory having a full rights to other users as well. So these are the fields. We need to change the fields depending upon requirement. So here links sum, that is called a four links. How many links will be there? And next one is the field is called owner. So who is the owner of the directory? Means George. And which group is particularly assigned to them? I mean accounts department, sales department, you can mention it here. So here they mention team 1. And bytes means how much size of the directory, it will be showing the size of the directory. And modification, when you created and when you modify the data, when you created or modified the data, that will be showing the date of the time. And name, file name called as a directory name. So this is the thing what we need to do here completely. This is the permissions, how to change the permissions, and one by one I will let you know. First you need to see the how it is there on my on my Linux operating system. So this is my operating system. So Linux server release 7.1 version. My PO is my kernel operator, kernel of the kernel thing. So here I'm going to create a one directory that is called data. So it's already created. So I will take another one, mkdir uh, backup. Oh sorry, that is also created. Dr bsa backup 01. So now I have created the backup 01. So the data will be, sorry, mkdir backup 02. So I have created the directory on root directory, so I don't require that location, so now I am creating here only. So here only root directory only, that is the main root directory. This is called this one, root user account directory. So the data will be showing over there, this data will be showing here. So when you type it the ls command, that data will be backup 02. We can easily identify the color modification, is it file or directory, that is the one way. And one more option is there, we want to see the permissions on files or directories. You need to type the ll or ls -l. When you type it here, it will be showing the all the details, what are the permissions are there, who is owner, who is group owner, and when it is modified and when it is created, and what how much data will be occupied for the directories or files. We can easily find out the command that is called ll or ls-l. If you type the ll, you will be getting the same result. So here I will take the one file that is called a backup 02. So backup 02, that is called a directory. So it's indicate the first field is called D, and RWX means owner of the permission, and R-X means group owner. Group owner having a read and execution permission only. And last one R and execute permission. That is called others having a read and execution permission. So who is root? Root is the owner of the directory, and next one also root, that is called group owner of the owner. Who is group owner? Root. And how much the size of file? 6. And when it is created, right now, what is the name of directory? Backup.02. This is the, so this is the files or directories showing like this way permissions. So now I am going to explain the first permission field, how to change the our permissions on files or directory. So you should be use the chmod command. So this is the to change the file permissions. If you type it that one, that will be showing some commands. If you don't require, you can leave it that one. So now I am going to explain the fields, how to assign the permission to the files. So here you need to learn more things to give the permission to files or directories. So 4 for the read and 2 for the write, 1 for execute. If you give the 4, that will be means read only permission. If you give the 5, it means read and execution permissions only. If you give the R 6, it means read and write permissions. If I give the 7, read and write execution permissions. So these fields are the to assigning the permission. So which command we should be using? Chmod. We should able to change the permissions, and depending upon the permissions 777 and file runner. And one more option also there, we can use the u plus x, means u means you owner of the user, x means I'm adding the execution permission to user, G for group owner, W for write permission. So I will let you know one by one thing. So now I am going to explain the chmod command. Chmod, so ll, when you type it ll, so the group owner having a read and execution by, but I want to give the write permissions as well. So how can I provide? You should be use the chmod G for group plus W for write to. So which file, which directory you want to give it to them? Backup 02. Once you assign that one, you need to check it. That will be changed to the read write execution permission. So at the same time, I want to remove the execution permission. I want to remove the execution permission on the owner of the owner of the fields. So how can I remove it? So chmod u for owner of the user, owner of the user. Yes, right. So now I am going to remove the execution permission to the owner level. So what is the name of the file? Backup 02. When you type it here, you will be getting a result. So D or W only. X is not there. It means execution permission will be removed from owner owner to the owner. So here I want to give the permission to the write permission to the others as well. So now I am using the chmod command. So others as well, you can provide the slash o for others, w for write permissions, backup 02. Once it is done, you should be type the command that will be getting a others having permission with read, write, and execution permission. This is the one way of the giving permission. And one more thing, we have another option also there. That option is called chmod. So here, these are the field. You can give the number format as well. That is called a. Now I am going to give the permissions levels. 755. I am going to give the 755. Sage mode 7 means full rights to the owner, and 5 for the read and execution permission. Read and execution permission to the others or group owners. So here, what is the name of the file? BACK backup 02. So this is the way we can provide the permission to the users. So now you can type it ll command. You should be see this one. Oh, that is called directory read and write execution permission. Owner is having the full rights, and group and others having a read and execution permission only. So I just want to give the full rights to others and group owners as well. So now you can use the chmod command. You should be provide the 777. You should be, if you give the like that one, that will be providing the all the permission to others and groups as well. So now you can check it that one. So here did you see this one? Read and write execution, read and write execution, read and write execution, and all the owner and group and others as well. So this is the way of to change the permissions on the directories and files. And next one thing, going for the owner of the going for the to change the owner. I don't, my owner is changed to the, I want to change the owner name. So here George is there. So for example, in over there, who is there? Here root is there. I don't want to put it on root. So I want to create the another user. That user called is uh, Jackson. This is my user. So this Jackson is need to be added to the owner of the file. So how can I add the owner of the file? So you should be use the one command that should be changed to the owner name. So that, so you should be use the chown command to change the owner of the field, owner of the file or directory. You should be use the chown command. Owner of the root is there by default previously. Now I am make it to the Jackson. Jackson to backup 0 to 4. So now you can check it the file. You should be see this one Jackson. So I got the Jackson. It means so owner is changed to the new person. That person name is called Jackson. So and I want to change the group name as well. That group name is called. So now I am going to create a one group that is called group. Add that group name is called Travels. Travels. The group name is called Travels. So I have created a group. A group name is called Travels. I want to put it the Travels on the group on the directory. So how can I put it? You should be use the one of the command that is called chgrp. So when you change the group name, so you should be follow the both commands. You should be getting chgrep and name of the group name travels travels and name of the directory backup 02. Once you enter here, you should be see the result. Who is the owner? Jackson. And who is the group owner? Travels. So now I have changed the permissions and Jackson Travels. So here we can this way we can change the all the things to the permission level. So everything we have replaced it, and now I am going to explain the special permissions